We had our gender scanned for the gender of our baby yesterday, and I cannot believe it, but I have the results right here in this envelope, but I have not yet opened it because we're going to do a reveal. Personally, I think it's gonna be a boy. I just think it's gonna be a boy. Okay, it is the gender reveal day. I'm so freaking excited and really nervous, and it's actually pretty cold out here, so.
You collecting votes?
Yes.
Sweet.
So excited! Woo! Here we go.
A girl.
What do you think?
Boy.
I think a boy.
I'm definitely thinking it's a girl. Too many boys in this family.
No, don't.
A good boy.
Boy.
Girl.
Boy.
A boy.
Boy.
Can you tell? I think it's gonna be a boy.
It's a boy.
In case anybody doesn't know, it's gonna be a boy.
100% a boy.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
I'm gonna guess girl just to be a rebel. I'm gonna guess girl too.
A boy. It's a boy.
I think it's likely a boy. Kind of want a girl, but I think it's likely a boy.
I also think it's a boy, but it does not matter to me. Hey buddy, Cusco. Good boy. We even have a blue and pink battle for the occasion.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
Okay. Ah!
I'm gonna, you're so nervous. Yeah, so I'm gonna toss it straight up, like right here.
Okay.
Go hit under.
Underhand?
Yeah, you might miss over here.
Okay,
All
ready?
right. Are we recording, Isaac?
Yeah, you're good. Stay right there.
All right, I'm literally just gonna go like this.
Here you go.
All right, here we go. Lots of accurate guesses.
We knew it!
We did it! All my hard work. We made a boy. It's a boy. Come here.
I'm so happy. I can't wait. Are you excited? To add to an already great day, so we sat at what's called the community table at First Watch because it was just easier to fit everybody at one time, and there was one random older gentleman sitting in the corner before he left, and we had no idea. We just went to go pay for our checks. He paid the bill for our entire table, and he's not even here anymore. Like, he left, like we just found out. So there's a big group of us too, and he paid for the whole table. So we feel very special. Baby boy.
Baby boy.
Are you excited?
Yes. Of course.
Do we have any names in mind yet?
Nope.
That we'll definitely have to keep you posted on. Thank you for watching our gender reveal and following along with our journey. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you would like to. But love you and see you next time. Bye.